Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox this filtration system we've got here by OSMOFRESH called Fusion Air. In Germany, it is okay for you to drink tap water, but technically most people buy bottled water all the time. And we realize that we don't actually spend time thinking about how much money we are spending buying bottled water. And if you do the math, you will quickly realize that you could be saving a lot of money by simply switching to a filtration system like this one. And this is the Fusion Air by OSMOFRESH. And we saw it on our friend's YouTube channel, the Rare Pearls family, Rare Pearls Home. They bought one and did a lovely review of it. So we quickly fell in love with it and we decided to get one for ourselves. And I think what caught us the most was the fact that it's such a beautiful design. And even though it's a water filtration system, you also have instant hot water from it. I love to drink my tea all the time in the morning. And so to have something that can quickly give me hot water with a snap of a finger, I can always drink my tea peacefully. So not just drinking water. Enough about the teaser, and we will go ahead and yeah, unbox it for you. Should I put it on the floor?
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, my officer.
Double chin.
So there it is. Look at how beautiful it is. It actually won the 2025 Best Design in Germany, if I'm not mistaken. So here it won the German Design Award for 2026. And as you can see, it's actually a really beautiful water filtration system. So you've got your controls here, and I think there will be a platform here for filling the water. And this is the tank over here. I just love the fact that it's black. My wife loves black, so I think she's also in love with this. So yeah, I mean, we're just gonna go ahead and remove these stickers from the product, and then we will do our first, yeah. So these are the quick starts guide. There's German, English, I don't know. Yeah, German again, and English as well. So first of all, so as you can see, let's do the English version. So here you have status indicators. You've got water quality display. You've got water dispenser buttons. So here, this is for the hot water. This is for warm water, depending on how warm you want the water to be. Also for tea, and then this is room temperature water. And then there are some controls here, for the menu, the power. You also have a child lock, so you can also lock it so that kids are not by mistake fetching hot water and burning themselves. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at the quick start guide. Yeah, so here these are the average filtration rates, and these are all the minerals that come into the water so that you get all the necessary nutrients from the water as well. So this is the quick start guide. As you can see, we need to remove the blue transport stripes, which we have removed already. We plug it, and then we fill both chambers of the tank with water. This is the chamber here. We need to fill this side here with water, and yeah, we need to fill, yes, both chambers. So we need to remove the whole thing here and fill it with water. And then once we do that, we have to then place a 2-liter container at the bottom and let all the water come out. We need to repeat that same thing 3 times, and only after that can we start actually drinking the water. So it's pretty straightforward and quick to use. So hopefully you stay with us and watch till the end. Yeah. So this is the platform to put the cap on so that you can fetch water, and it's got a magnet here, so it actually snaps right at it when you put it. So you see, I don't know if you saw. So now it's pretty done now. So what we have to do now is to plug it, following the quick start guide. We're going to plug it. So it's also quite a lengthy cord, so you can definitely plug it far away from any socket. So now what we have to do is that we have to fill both chambers of the water tank. So we are going to fill both chambers of the water tank. Yeah. And it's got a handle in here which you can hold, which is really great. It's quite easy to set it in, and now we've put it in. So we're gonna go ahead, and I always love this feeling. Yeah. So let's turn it on. So we need to put a 2-liter container. So I'm going to turn it on. And then I'm gonna press this 300 seconds. So it's going to do whatever it's going to do for 300 seconds, and we will go with the first thing. Okay, so now we finished the first cleaning cycle, and we need to take the external tank out one more time and empty it, fill it with new water, and then we do the second um, cleaning cycle. This is the second water that we are putting in, and you see it's telling us that we still need to do number 2 for 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and press this. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So we've done the first, the second, and now this is the final clean. Okay, lovely people. So finally, we are ready to start using our OSMOFRESH Fusion Air. As you can see, it's now processing the water. It looks so beautiful, guys, I have to say. And I'm excited to start using it. So now this symbol here just says that we can start using it. And we can set the the water that it dispenses up to 1 liter. But since we are just going to mostly be using it for drinking water, I think we are going to do maybe 250 to start with. And later on, if we realize that we are maybe not able to drink 250 at a go, we will reduce it to maybe 200 or even more. So right now it's at 250 now, as you can see, 250 ml. And here is the room temperature. This is also to set temperature if you want, in case you want to drink warm water. You can reduce the temperature here to whatever that you want. So let's say you want to drink 40 degrees water, you can easily do that. And this is then also hot water in case you want to drink tea. You pour the water from here. And like we said, this is the child lock. So once you press on it, it gives you the opportunity to pour the hot water. But once it's on, if you press the hot water, it's not going to work. I mean, once we do the menu here, we can see the percentage, which is a filter percentage. At the moment, it says 100%. So we are good. Yeah, and this is, you saw 1 and 2. This is the two filtration. So one is the membrane and one is the filter. So yeah, both are 100% now. And then this one is if you want to rinse and do a drain again. Sorry, a rinse, then you press this, and this is for a drain. When you click on this one here, TDS mineral, you see how many minerals are being added into the water. So I think I should have said this in the beginning. This is not just a filtration system. It also adds minerals to the water. So, think about drinking really good water. And right now there's 13 minerals that have been added. So guys, this is our OSMOFRESH now. And from now onwards, I'm going to be drinking a lot of water, and not just any water, but mineral water. And I want to once again say thank you to Rare Pearls Home for showing us this product. And we will do another video and walk you through our experience using it. And also, whenever we have to change the filtration system and all of that, we're going to be showing you how we use this. So if you are still on the fence about this, just keep in mind we used to spend almost 700 euros every year on bottled water. Now with this, we are going to save almost 5,000 euros in the next 5 years, which is a lot of money. Sorry, 3,000 euros in the next 5 years. So yeah, there you go. And bye.